So, unboxing the Unify networks. Been a bit quick and I ripped the security tape off. As you see, it's got a little tag. But, it comes in this nice box. Fold it over, and we're open. It come from Amazon, and it come in a little paper poly bag, what they call, or still call a poly bag, but it's a paper bag. So the only protection is basically this box when it is shipped, and I do know how these are battered about, these poly bags. They're just thrown in a car. There's no fragile sticker or nothing on there. So let's start. You got this polystyrene like bag covering the main switch. Oh, and it's a US 8 60 watt ubiquiti switch, 8 port 60 watt from Unify. First 4 ports are just normal ports. The last 4 provide PoE out, power over Ethernet, and it can provide 60 watts, so that's 15 watts per port basically. More than enough for most things, IP cameras and so on. Comes with a instruction manual. We never read those. A nice power brick. And the power on this is 48 volts, 1.25 amps, which is 60 watts. The switch itself, down there, that'll barely use any power. And then a UK kettle type plug. And then a couple of raw plugs and screws to screw to the wall. Nothing else in the box. So, something you will notice, there are no rack mount holes to put rack ears on this, so you can't put an extender plate or anything. It does have a cable loop security. I'll just conceal that serial number. Tells you it's a 48 volt input, but then you got just a standard normal switch style screw slide on. And the camera frozen. I don't know if it recorded, but it froze a bit. So, nice and little switch, big brick, quite a big brick in fact. However, this is 8 port. My TP link, which up here, it's not considerably bigger than this. However, this won't be going here. The little mini that's on my network shelf will be going here. Well, back here. And then this one will be the beast for the main switch.